Hey guys, today I have an unboxing haul. The first package I want to open up is from Wellington, and it already looks like a gift set. So if you want to give it away as a Christmas present, you don't have to bother with any gift wrapping. So inside it comes with another box with the Wellington logo on it, and when you pull it open, there were many different sets. So the one that I chose is actually called the Classic Petite Ash Fill. This is 32mm rose gold, and then this white color straps is called the Bondi strap. So they have many different sets, like with the cuff and with different color faces, rose gold, silver, whatever you want, you can think of, they have it. So I was really interested in their cuff set, but I had all the similar watch faces, like the silver and the rose gold one. That's why I chose this one, because this is a black face and I don't have any black faces watch. And this strap is actually like a black metal strap, but it comes with a pleather looking white color strap, so you can change it up so it can be like white pleather or black metal, and they all go really well with the face itself. And I like that I chose the 32mm one, so it will look a lot better on my smaller size wrist. So from now until 8 January, they are having their Christmas or like a holiday offer. So you can get 10% off any 2 or more items. And with this code that I will leave here and also down in the description box below, which is called Maggie Xmas, you can get extra 15% off, but I don't get anything from it. And also they are having all orders with gift wrapping, which is free, and also free shipping. Next package is a big one and it's super heavy. This is from Molten Brown, and the packaging is so beautiful, and it also comes with the pamphlet. So we're not gonna look through it now, but they have different scent of the Molten Brown shower gel, and it's from Lookfantastic, so you can find this entire set on Lookfantastic. I believe it's definitely cheaper if you buy like a set. So let us pull this up, and you can already see they have it displayed like this, a set of 10 shower gel, and oh, it's so nice and it smells so good. Okay, so let us just go through. We'll start with this one over here. So they are all, how many ml are they? Pretty generous, and I used one of this in my sample project pen thing, 365 days of sample. It lasted me at least 2 weeks, which is really not what I expected. I thought, a sample size, it wouldn't last so long. So this one they're all made in England, and it's 100 ml. It might be a bit hard to see the words over here, so I'll just read it to you. So this is yellow in color, and this is the orange and bergamot. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm looking at this pamphlet right now. So this one, they say awaken your spirits with a molten brown icon. So maybe this is one of their best sellers. It has cerulean orange and neroli flower, and they also tell you the top notes, heart notes, and the base notes. Let's not go through that. That's way too much stuff. Okay, bring this out. Oh, it's so heavy. So this one, this looks like a orangey brown color, and it's called Tobacco Absolute. So if you buy this set and you don't really like all the scents, you can give it to different people. Now this is something that I will give to a male. It says experience seasoned depth with woody tobacco absolute uplifted with vibrant grapefruit and Peruvian balsam. Now, or you can just think of it as like you buy one set and then it could be a stocking stuffer for 10 different people. Okay, next we're moving on to this one, and this looks similar. It's also a brown in color, and this is called the Recharge Black Pepper. It already sounds spicy to me. This is the Molten Brown bestseller. Bestseller? Ooh. Yeah, it's really spicy. It's called Invigorating Black Pepper, Coriander, and Vetiver. I would not expect this to be the best seller, but that's just because I'm a female. Maybe I expected something fruity or something floral. This would be also good for a male, in my opinion. So now this one, this looks pretty. It's like purple in color, and this is the Relaxing Liang Liang. I actually have a bathroom spray which is also this scent, so I'm guessing this is good for the bathroom. This is unwind with a truly relaxing fragrance, enriched with a harmony of floral yang yang or liang liang, zesty tangerine, and vanilla. I can smell like the sweetness part comes from the vanilla. Now this one over here is a very pretty color, it's the only one with a gold top, and this is actually one that I got in my advent calendar, which I gave to my sister because I knew that I have an extra one, and it sounds so nice. It's jasmine and sun rose, given to the allure of this Dao Tech masterpiece, a feminine fragrance with jasmine, rose, and raspberry. Oh wow, so it doesn't just smell like flowers, it also has a raspberry scent to it. Okay, so now let's turn it around and we're gonna go on to this second row over here. This one over here, they're all really secure. This is a pinkish looking color one. It's called Heavenly Ginger Lily. So it says escape to exotic beaches with fragrant lily, warming ginger and musk in this alluring fragrance. So I would think it would smell like the beach. Not really, it doesn't smell very, like I would associate beach with coconut, but it doesn't smell very coconutty. Okay, so the next one, maybe I should just stop bringing this up. This one is a purple one. Oh, this one is pink and purple. It's the fiery pink pepper, which is what I first got and used up in the 365 days of sample project, and I'll leave the link here if you want to see like the full review. This one is warming ginger with pink pepper and floral jasmine in this sweetly spiced fragrance, and I agree with that. This smells really nice, but I feel that it smells a little bit manly at the same time because of the pepper scent and the ginger, but I really liked it because I felt that it lingered on my skin, the longevity of the scent. So that's why I wanted to try out more molten brown, different kind of scent. So the next one over here is like this pale color. It looks like a nice highlight color. This one is the delicious rhubarb and rose. Oh yeah, it looks like a diluted rose color. It says treat yourself to an irresistibly sweet recipe of rhubarb, creamy vanilla and delicate rose. It smells like everything that I would like a shower gel to be. Yes, I like this. It's definitely a girly sweet scent. Okay, next up we have this one. This looks like the sea. It's like greenish bluish, and this is the cypress and sea fennel, and it says awaken your senses with sea-soaked adventure in this refreshing marine fragrance. The color already adds to that. It smells like the sea, but not like stinky sea. Okay, so the last one that I have over here is really vibrant color. It's blue in color. It's called Blissful Temple Tree, and let's see. Discover a sacred fusion of peaceful notes with orange, jasmine, and rich patchouli. Oh yeah, ooh, wow. You can smell the patchouli. Hits you first, then you smell the jasmine. This is definitely one of the most useful things that I got, and 100 ml you can travel with it, but honestly it lasts a really long time, so I would use it in my day-to-day life too. So the next package that I have, okay, over here. This is from Iherb. I had to order some things from Iherb, and I feel that when I don't order with my sister and when I try to order it myself, something always goes wrong. It took so long to ship because, let me just complain here, it took so long to ship because one of the things was sold out, and then they would not process the order because it was sold out, and they would not tell me that it was sold out, so I had to discover it myself and like talk to the live chat, and then they tell me, oh, this is sold out. Are you okay to proceed with the order? Yes. Why didn't you just ask me? I would say yes anyway. And then they had like a different charge, but I don't think that's Iherb's fault. I think it's PayPal because Iherb said a certain amount, but then PayPal charged me more than that. But it was just like an entire process, so whatever. I did not bother to get my refund. So it always comes with this like bubble thing on top, which is good because I've never ordered anything that came broken from Iherb. Originally, this is all that I wanted, just these two, but Iherb has free shipping if you hit a certain amount, and it's definitely more worth it because I think the shipping they quoted me was like $18. I could have bought a lot of things with $18. So this is from Nature's Bounty. I eat the pink color gummy, which is biotin, is for hair, skin, and nails, which is I think their most famous gummy ever. So I was okay with their gummy flavor. Make sure you are okay with it because some people they feel that it tastes very synthetic or fake, but I think it's fine. So I got the energy gummies, and this is watermelon flavored gummies. I really like it, but it's not like you eat this and you get energy. You have to eat food, and then it will just help the conversion of food into energy. I got two of this because they said that the expiry is 2020, which I thought was pretty alright. And then the other one that I got two of is this sleep gummies, and this is so nice. This is the tropical punch flavored gummies. It's so yummy, and you take two, it just helps you to promote relaxed mood and restful sleep. I've been trying out this, and honestly I don't think it works, so I probably would not repurchase this. And then I got like a few tea because I just wanted to hit a minimum order, and I've been trying to get more into tea lately. They had this raspberry leaf tea, which I've heard is really good for cramps, but it was sold out. Oh, that was the thing that was sold out. But never mind, I got this too. It is from the brand Yogi Tea, and they have different kinds. Like I got one which is to help me with energy once again. This is the Vanilla Spice Perfect Energy, energizes and supports focus. I'll have all the prices up above. This is 16 tea bags. And it just sounds so good because it's green tea, black tea, and vanilla spice. And then to help me with sleeping, I got this one instead, which is the honey lavender. Such a nice combination. Stress relief, soothing serenity blend. It's also 16 tea bags. And the description on Iherb, it wasn't just to help you sleep. It was also to help you relieve your stress. Then I got this huge thing. This is 532 ml, and I think that it wasn't that expensive. And this is from the brand Nature's Gate. And I love how it came in a Ziploc bag so that if this spills, it doesn't get onto everything, which was really smart of Iherb. So very nice packaging, and it's even taped at the top. Very good. And it's the conditioner for teen hair. It has biotin and bamboo in it. So it sounds nice. On the website, this just seemed very natural, and it's vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, soy-free, cruelty-free. Very good. It just seems like very natural ingredients. Maybe because the name is Nature's Gate. Maybe that's how they get you. Okay, I was thinking I would smell bamboo. It smells like mint. I don't know why. Okay, anyway, the last thing that I got this because I just went to like deodorant, which was number one. This was number one. I just wanted to try it. This is from the brand Arm & Hammer, which is a very famous brand. And woo, that's kind of like up in my nose. And this is the Ultra Max Advanced Protection 48 Hours. It's a solid bar, a solid detergent, a solid deodorant. So you just roll it up like this. And I got it in the powder fresh scent. Smells like baby powder. Awesome. So I'm going to try it out and see if it's really the best seller. My sister asked me about this, whether is it good. I told her I don't know, I just got it because it was number one. So that's all for my unboxing haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or like if you want reviews of anything, whatever, just leave a comment down below if you're interested to ask anything, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!